Austin Drummond's case is now headed to the grand jury. Good evening, I'm Joyce Peterson. Thank you for joining us. Drummond is charged with killing a family of 4 in Tiptonville and kidnapping their baby girl, leaving her in a Dyer County yard. He appeared inside the Lake County Courthouse today. Action News 5's Michaela Redmond was there. She shows you how prosecutors laid out the timeline of events the day of the murders.
The courtroom was packed as Austin Drummond's preliminary hearing took place, especially on the side of the state where family and friends of the 4 victims sat. Judge Andrew Cook also entered a gag order requested by the state, which Drummond's attorneys agreed to. The state called 5 witnesses to the stand, including an officer with state parks, a Lake County Sheriff's deputy, a Dyersburg police detective, and an FBI special agent and a TBI special agent. Through witness testimony, the state was able to show a clear timeline of events, placing Drummond at the scene along with all 4 victims, and showing Drummond traveling back to Jackson with the baby before traveling back to the crime scene and dropping the baby off in Dyersburg. The state played surveillance video showing the vehicles and presented pictures of the rental car that Drummond was driving in different areas. We also learned more about a phone call between Drummond, Giovante Thomas, and Tanaka Brown after the murders took place. The latter 2 are facing charges in connection to helping Drummond. Special Agent Justin Tubbs with TBI also shared details about a preliminary phone call with the medical examiner discussing how each victim was killed.
What type of wounds did Courtney Rose have?
She had been shot in the head.
How many times?
At least once that I remember.
Okay. What about Brayton Williams?
He had been shot in the back of the head.
What about Adriana Williams?
She had also been shot in the head.
And what about Matthew Wilson?
Mr. Wilson had been shot in multiple places in his body for approximately 11 times.
Matthew Wilson's mother was in the courtroom. After Special Agent Tubbs shared that information, she did have to get up and excuse herself after being overcome with emotion. We also learned that the phone used to track and connect Drummond to the case was a burner phone purchased the night before by 2 of the victims. Drummond's attorney did ask Judge Andrew Cook to lift the restraining order so Drummond could have contact with his girlfriend, Caitlin Speed, to discuss their unborn child. Judge Cook denied that request. Reporting in Tiptonville, Michaela Redmond, Action News 5.